Let's draw nested squares as an example. To do this, we need to create a drawSquare function and call that function in a loop, changing the parameters. This function takes two arguments, a turtle object and a side length. The for loop runs 4 times to draw the 4 sides of a square. Forward method moves the turtle forward by the specified side length. Right method turns the turtle 90 degrees to the right to create a right angle, which is necessary for drawing a square. Turtle screen creates a window where the drawing will be displayed. Screen title sets the title of the window. For I in range, 10 creates a loop that runs 10 times to draw 10 nested squares. Screen exit on click. This keeps the window open until you click on it, allowing you to see the final drawing.